Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Bites Kitchen. If you're new here, this channel is all about healthy, homemade baby and toddler food, made with love, simple ingredients, and safe textures. Today we are sharing day 5 meal plan for a 9-month-old baby, including breakfast, snacks, lunch, and dinner with exact measurements, easy recipes, and nutritional benefits. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to Little Bites Kitchen, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a healthy baby meal idea. Breakfast: Oat Flaxseed Porridge. Ingredients: oats 20 g, water 100 ml, flaxseed ground to grams. Steamed blueberries: blueberries 15 g, steam until soft, then mash well. Add oats and water to a pot. Cook on low heat, stirring well to avoid lumps. Once soft and creamy, add ground flaxseed. Cook for another 1–2 minutes. Let it cool slightly and mash or blend to a smooth but thick texture, suitable for a 9-month baby. Yogurt. Plain yogurt 20 g, serve plain or gently mixed into the porridge. Omega-3 from flaxseed, antioxidants from blueberries, calcium and probiotics from yogurt. At 9 months, food should be soft, mashed, and slightly textured, not fully watery. If this meal plan is helpful for you, please give this video a thumbs up, and comment below, is your baby 9 months already? I'd love to know. Snack: 1 avocado plus banana mash. Ingredients: avocado 20 g, banana 10 grams. Mash both ingredients together with a fork. Add a little warm water or breast milk. Formula if needed. Nutrients: healthy fats for brain development, natural energy, and potassium. Lunch: beetroot plus potato plus lentil mash. Ingredients: beetroot 20 g, potato 35 g, brown lentils 20 grams. Cook lentils, beetroot and potato together until very soft. Combine all ingredients. Mash or blend to a thick, smooth mash. Nutrients: iron and folate from lentils and beetroot, energy from potato. Always serve iron-rich foods daily at this age. Snack 2. Apple plus chia seeds. Ingredients: apple 25g, chia seeds 2 grams. Soak chia seeds in hot water. Steam apple until very soft. Mash well. Add soaked chia seeds, never dry. Nutrients: fiber for digestion, omega-3 from chia seeds. Dinner: boiled egg plus cabbage plus carrot. Ingredients: boiled egg half yolk, cabbage 20g, carrot 25 grams. Cooked cabbage and carrot until very soft. Hard boil the egg completely. Finely mash vegetables. Mix with mashed egg to desired texture. Mash everything together into a smooth textured meal. Add 5 ml olive oil for healthy fats. Nutrients: protein and choline from egg, vitamin A from carrot, fiber from cabbage. Introduce egg gradually and always watch for any reaction. That's all for day 5 of our 9-month baby food plan. Healthy meals, simple ingredients, and happy little tummies. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Little Bites Kitchen. Your support helps this channel grow and helps more parents feed their babies better. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, Little Bites Kitchen.